How can I track my stolen AirPods?
Hello, and welcome to this video on how to track your stolen AirPods. Losing your AirPods can be a frustrating experience, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of tracking your AirPods and potentially finding them. Let's dive in.
Can AirPods be tracked?
The first thing you need to know is that yes, you can track your AirPods. Apple has designed the AirPods with a feature that allows you to locate them using the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch.
How do I track my AirPods using the Find My app?
To track your AirPods using the Find My app, follow these steps. 1. Open the Find My app on your iOS device. 2. Select the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. 3. Look for your AirPods in the list of devices. 4. Tap your AirPods to view their location on a map. 5. Follow the map to find your AirPods' last known location. Please note that this method will only work if your AirPods are still connected to your iCloud account, and they have enough battery life to be detected.
What if my AirPods aren't showing up in the Find My app?
If your AirPods aren't showing up in the Find My app, there are a few possible reasons. 1. Your AirPods are out of battery. If your AirPods have run out of battery, they won't be able to send their location to the Find My app. Try retracing your steps to locate them manually. 2. Your AirPods are out of range. AirPods have a limited Bluetooth range. If they're too far away from your iOS device, they won't be detected by the Find My app. You may need to move closer to their last known location to track them. 3. Your AirPods have been unpaired or reset. If your stolen AirPods have been unpaired from your iCloud account or reset by the thief, you won't be able to track them using the Find My app. In this case, it's best to contact law enforcement and report the theft. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you on how to track your stolen AirPods. Remember to always keep your AirPods secure and within range of your iOS device to prevent theft and loss. Good luck, and we hope you find your missing AirPods soon.